Assalamu alaikum everyone. As you guys can see, I made another domino setup. This time, it's the rainbow domino wall using the column technique. So as you guys can see, those wonderful rainbow patterns with the red domino on top. Sort of like a flag. Pretty cool. Alright, so here's how it works. It starts with the white domino line. Then here's the field starter standing on these two box-like containers. Then it's going to knock down that entire wall. Let's get ready to knock it down. 3, 2, 1. And there you have it, everyone. So this is the rainbow domino wall using the column wall technique. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel for more domino and Islamic videos. Also turn on the post notification bell and select all. And leave a comment down below of how do you think the domino setup. You know, the rainbow domino wall. Also guys, follow me on Instagram. There's a link in the description box below. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.